3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Mission Control for a quick tips video. In this video we're going to talk about making a strobe / color flash key. Making an executor key that will strobe and color change your fixtures and then have them return to what they were doing before when you stop pressing the key is easy to do using key profiles and a release mask. First, we're going to go ahead and record the playback. Record the attributes you want to an executor key using channel mode. We'll use jitter and strobe and color for our example here. We want to go ahead and set the key profile for that. Create a key profile that sets the touch / executor key to flash. And then we want to set the release mask. Set the release mask to local, select the intensity and color attributes, and set the release time to 0 for our example here. So let's take a look at that. Here I've got version 14 of Titan on the mobile interface with the visual panel open so we can see our executor keys. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and select our fixtures. We'll go ahead and select our BMFLs and our beam 150s. And then we'll go ahead and set their strobe to, we'll set them at 100% strobe. And we'll go ahead and put color in. And then we'll go ahead and hit record. And then we'll change our channel mode, our record mode to channel. And we'll go ahead and record it here on this playback. Now that we've recorded it there, we're going to go ahead and hit clear. Now we're going to go ahead and go to our options, select the playback we just recorded to, and we'll go ahead and set our handle key profile, and we'll go ahead and make a new one. And we'll go ahead and name it EX-Flash, so I know that's an executor flash, so I can use it in the future. By just reselecting that one, we'll go ahead and hit OK. And we're going to go ahead and set our touch / executor key to flash. And our other ones, we can either go through and set them as disabled, or we can just leave them as they are. Doesn't matter. I go ahead and set them disabled for this one. And once we've got them all set, we can hit exit. And then we can hit next here, and we see that it's saved there, that our blue and gray keys are disabled, and our touch / executor is set to flash. So we hit exit again, and one more time. And then we're going to go down to release here. And we could also see that over here. And go ahead and get the panel out of the way for a moment. We can see that in our here as well as on our soft keys. So we'll just click on release mask, and from global, we'll click on it and we'll make it local. We'll include intensity and include color. And we're going to set our release time to 0. And so now we've got our release mask to include intensity and color, and our release time to 0, as well as our key profiles set to X flash. So we go ahead and exit out of this. So now, if we bring up a playback so our fixtures are doing something, and put this one up here. So now if I hit this key, when I'm pressing it, we can see that my fixtures strobe. And when I release it, they go back to what they were doing. And so let's bring it up here with capture, the full version of capture, to see that a little bit better. So if I press the strobe again, we can see that our fixtures are strobing. When we release the button, it goes back to doing what it was. So that's how to make an executor key flash in version 14 of Titan. We could have used any attributes. We could have included pan and tilt. We could have had a mask FX shape to stop the circle if we had wanted, but we just did it with the color and strobe. So I hope you learned something. Please subscribe and join us next time. Thanks. Bye.
Wheel stop.
Roger, wheel stop, Discovery. Welcome back. A great ending to the new beginning.